So, ito na nga guys. Kakalagpas lang natin ng immigration. As what I observed, they just asked for my return ticket, my hotel accommodation, and how long will I be staying here in the United States. I think that's same with the Philippine immigration, the usual procedure when it comes to arrival formalities. And for now, we are gonna get our baggage, our luggages. So we are just gonna wait for my baggage, and afterwards bibili tayo ng SIM card para sa wifi natin kasi it's hard to connect for your loved ones if you don't have your data. Finally, it's there. That one is mine, my second baggage. Finally. So guys, eto na. I didn't expect this kind of weather. I thought it's gonna be summer, but it's cold. We're just waiting for the driver.
A few moments later.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you.
So this is California's traffic here.
And this one?
Yeah, this is all California's traffic.
Merging, right?
Yeah. When it's empty,
it's really or heavy. I mean, it's really heavy.
Yeah,
traffic.
this one stays heavy like this all day.
This is considered traffic, or
yeah.
okay.
This is one of the busiest freeways here in California.
Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be your everything.
2,000 years later.
Oh, guys, ang lamig. I didn't expect this one. I thought it's gonna be somewhere here in Los Angeles, and as what I observed, parang nasa 15 degrees Celsius na dito eh. And we stayed here. Best with third class. Maghahanap tayo ng pwede natin makainan. So I'm searching here. I'm gonna look for Denny's. This one. Ito lang pala. Ang lapit lang. It's here. So guys, try natin yung pagkain dito kasi ang daming pumipila dito. Kanina pa ako nakapila. And while we are also waiting for the check-in sa hotel natin kasi 3 PM pa yung bukas ng hotel. I just sorry, go ahead. Guys, ang sarap. First time ko kumain ng waffle na may strawberry. This is egg. This is turkey bacon. This is waffle. Blueberry, strawberry, and waffle. And this is $13. 13 US dollar. Ang equivalent naman na sa almost 1,000. Ganun. Sa isang set lang to, ha. Guys, after 20 minutes, hindi ko pa rin maubos to. Ang laki. Ang dami.
One eternity later.
So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung room namin. And this is 2 beds. That one, I will be staying over there. Yan yung magiging bed ko. This is good for 2 persons. We have console table here, a television, and a refrigerator. And of course, in here, may mga cabinet naman. And the thing is, we also have, kahit hindi pa naka-on yung aircon natin, talagang malamig siya, guys. Hindi ko ini-expect ang lamig dito sa California. And that's our mirror, our vanity mirror. And this will be our toilet. We have a bathtub here. Okay. Problema lang dito, walang bidet.
$2,000 years later.
Hey man, hello everybody. This is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, ito na nga, kakagising lang natin. Here in Los Angeles, today is June 12, but in the Philippines, it's also June 12, 7 p.m. sa Pilipinas. Pero dito sa United States, Los Angeles, it's 3:43 in the morning. So, kailangan natin gumising ng maaga kasi susunduin kami ng driver namin ng 7 in the morning. We are planning to go to Canada first kasi ang plano, bago namin explore ang United States, we will be starting our tour at in Canada. So as you could see, nasa hotel pa rin ako. Mag-isa lang ako. Sayang yung 2 bed na to kasi walang gumamit nito para hindi sumama yung kasama ko. Late yata siya darating. So, yun. Solong-solo ko itong room na to. Guys, sobrang lamig. Ito yung labas ng hotel namin. And sobrang lamig. 3:30 in the morning. Tayo lang yata yung gising ngayon. Our breakfast will be served 6 in the morning. Kaya kailangan natin gumising. Mag-impake pa ako. I have to fix my things. Pagkakasya natin yung 23 kilo sa isang baggage. Kasi bawal yung 2. So guys, outfit check muna tayo bago tayo lumabas. Kasi ngayon yung flight natin going to Canada, Calgary, Canada. So may mga kasama ako sa baba and it's 5:59 in the morning here in Los Angeles. So 6 o'clock mag-start yung complimentary breakfast natin. Naka-plated siya. kailangan natin bilisan kasi 7 in the morning darating yung driver namin. Okay, so that's it. Outfit check.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.